What's going on, guys? Matt with No BS Beard Reviews. Got something completely different for you today. Today, I wanted to show you what's in my EDC. So what's in my everyday carry? What do I have on me at all times? So we're gonna go to the tabletop and I'm gonna show you close up what I carry with me when I leave the house every day. And so let me know what you think in the comments. What do you guys carry every day? All right, let's go. All right, guys, first up, we've got the cell phone. So this cell phone is an iPhone 11. I believe it's just the regular one. It's got a screen protector on it, just some no name off of Amazon. It is black leather Nomad case. There's this company out of California called Nomad, who I've absolutely fallen in love with. You're gonna see I've got several of their products I'm gonna show here. But this is a black, just plain black leather phone case. It's held up really well. I've had it for a long time now. You know, I carry this daily. I actually had to throw my wife's phone in there because I actually have a black version of the phone, which I'm filming on. So, but that is what it looks like. So that is the iPhone 11 with the black Nomad case. Next up, let's go keep it with technology. We've got our earbuds here. Now, I used to be strictly an Apple AirPods guy. I had the original versions, which I used for a while, liked them, but just found the Jabras to be better in terms of microphone quality and the sound. So I recently picked these up. These are the Jabra Elite 85Ts. And these have a unique design that goes in your ear. It's a little bit different. It's kind of that oval ear canal shape. These offer great sound and really good audio quality and microphone quality. So I'm on a lot of Zoom meetings, a lot of conference calls, and I use these a ton daily. I think the battery life is like 7.5 hours on these. I typically, you know, when I'm on a call, hop off, throw them back in the charging case, and I'm good to go. All right, let's talk car keys. So I like to take kind of a minimalist approach. I've gotten rid of all the keys except for the 2 keys to get into my house. Now, of course, I got the remote start on the car, so that makes it easier not to have that one extra large car key. I've also picked up this cool little thing. This is a Nomad keychain, but this holds one of the Apple, the little devices that you can track your AirTag, which you can track your keys, which is really cool. So that comes in handy, especially when the kids decide to hide my keys. Very easy to find. Also helpful when traveling. I'll actually take this off and put it on my luggage just in case. You know, I don't ever check bags, but just in case, you never know. So that's super handy. It's something I got on my, and that just tucks really easy in my pocket. All right, let's talk beard combs. So obviously, I gotta have a beard comb with me at all times. I love to comb the beard throughout the day. I love these Beard brand combs. You can see I don't know if you can see that, the bend I've gotten in that bad boy. I love their little pocket combs here. I've got usually one of these on me at all times. This is kind of, I think they call this one ketchup and mustard, because the red and the yellow. And then got probably my favorite. I actually had to buy a second one of these. This is the unicorn vomit. I actually bought one for my daughter and she refuses to let me use it. She has her own and a lot of times thinks this is hers and tries to steal the second one from me. So that is the unicorn vomit cone. I would love to see Beard brand. Guys, if anyone from the Beard brand team is watching this, I'd love to see like a matte black with maybe a gold or a silver Beard brand logo. That would be pretty sweet. I've definitely gotten into this black phase where I love everything like matte black. I would love to see those. So those are the beard combs. Again, usually just only have one on me. Let's talk wallets. So here is my go-to wallet. Just something like a basic flip front pocket wallet. I'm very much into kind of that minimalist look. I don't want a bunch of logos and designs. Just want something very classic, clean, black. It's a nice leather. This one is from Nomad as well. I told you, fell in love with their stuff, picked up a bunch of stuff. It's perfect. Got a spot for, you know, credit cards, my ID. If I ever carry cash on me, I just tuck that back in there. Like I got like $2, balling. So that is that. That is everything there. Let's talk watch. So I do have an Apple iWatch 4, I believe. I love this strap I've got on it. This is, again, I promise you this video is not sponsored by Nomad. I just love their stuff. This is one of their iWatch bands here. It's like this nice pliable rubber, super comfortable. What I love about it though, is you'll see the lugs there. It's got these nice lugs that protrude a little bit. It really gives that watch a beefier stance on your wrist. Really looks good. I just love the way that kind of sits on the wrist like that. It just makes it look a little bit bigger. This is the, I believe it's the 44 millimeter iWatch, a Series 4. But yeah, it just really gives a little heft to it, which I like. All right, last but not least, let's talk about blades. Well, I say last but not least, I actually got one or two more things to show you. I always have one of these in my pocket, and that is either my Benchmade Mini Griptilian. I've got a no-show pocket clip on there, so you know it comes up. All you really see is about that much of the knife. It's very discreet, but this is a nice little. It's dirty right now. This is mainly opening beard mail packages, but really nice knife. I've had this probably 4 or 5 years now. You know, really taking care of it, and it's in like perfect condition. Just needs a little cleaning. So that's either my go-to. I've also got this Spyderco here. I picked this up in the last year or so. This is the Delica 4. This was just a knife I always wanted and finally splurged on it. Just love this one. Fits in the hand perfectly. Now this one originally came with a black clip, I believe, and I actually added this aftermarket no-show. I think that's what it's called, a no-show, which, you know, tucks right up into your jeans. Again, you can only see about that much sticking out. And I got that. Where's the guy's card? I actually saved his card so I can show it. A place called MXG Gear. That they sell custom clips, you know, specifically for certain knives. But yeah, that's his stuff there. But yeah, I absolutely love this knife. Sharp as can be. It's just fun, man. I've always wanted a Spyderco and love that. Just a fun knife to play with. All right, last but not least, something I don't carry every day, but something I wanted to highlight because I think it's really cool. I am constantly on the go. I work remotely a ton. Can't even fit it in the view. Let's see, I'll lift it up. This is a laptop case. Again, made by that company I mentioned earlier, Nomad. Just really nice. It's like a synthetic kind of, it feels like leather, but it's not. It's more of like a, I don't want to say plastic because it's not plastic. Just feels really nice. And it's got this magnetic closure here. So if I'm out working at a Starbucks or cafe or something, you know, I just pop that in and out. Just really nice. And I don't have to carry my entire computer bag. So I'll just carry the laptop sleeve by itself. Just really solid construction on this. No scratches whatsoever. Just really nice. All right, guys, that wraps up what I carry on me every day. That is my everyday carry. All right. So that is what is on me every day when I leave the house. Let me know in the comments below, guys. As I mentioned before, let me know what you carry every day, but also let me know if you would be interested in seeing another video on what I use on a day-to-day basis the most. So I work from home, so I got a lot of cool tech gadgets here that I'm constantly using throughout the day to make my life easier. So let me know if you'd be interested in a follow-up video. I'll show a few more cool things. But yeah, that's it, guys. This is what's in my pockets when I leave the house. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching. God bless you. We'll talk soon. Take care.